Friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Glip app. You will go to settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here you will search about Glip app and you click. In this page of app unfold we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to start your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.